Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Robinhood options trading. First, ensure you understand what options are. Contracts giving you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price by a certain date. Robinhood makes options accessible, but it is essential to grasp the fundamentals and risks before diving in. We will cover eligibility, different trading levels, and how to place your very first trade. Let's get started. To begin trading options on Robinhood, you first need an approved brokerage account. Once that is set up, you must apply for options trading. This involves answering a few questions about your financial experience, investment objectives, and risk tolerance. Robinhood uses this information to determine your eligibility and assign an appropriate options trading level. Be sure to provide accurate details to ensure a smooth application process and access to the strategies you wish to employ. Robinhood categorizes options trading into different levels, each permitting specific strategies. Level 1 typically allows for covered calls and protective puts, which are considered less risky. To buy calls and puts, or to engage in cash-secured puts, you will need to be approved for at least Level 2. Higher levels, such as Level 3 and 4, unlock more advanced strategies like credit spreads, debit spreads, and iron condors. Your approved level dictates the complexity of trades you can execute. Once approved, placing your first options trade is straightforward. Navigate to the stock or ETF you are interested in, then tap Trade and select Trade Options. You will then choose between buying or selling and select your desired strike price and expiration date. Review the contract details, including the premium, and ensure it aligns with your strategy. Finally, confirm your order before submitting it. Remember to start small and understand the potential outcomes of each trade.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.